This is MYP Extended Math eAssessment which happened in May 2024. So today we are going to do question number 1 asked in the paper. So the first question, we have been provided with this diagram where a circle with center O is given and ABCD lie on the circumference of the circle, and then we have to find these angles. So given that angle DAB is 44 degrees, so this angle is 44 degree given to us. So angle AOD. So angle AOD is this particular angle. So you all need to understand that this triangle AOD is isosceles triangle. So this angle and angle ODA will be same. So this angle is 44. So this angle will also be 44. Hence this angle, the required angle would be 180 minus 2 times 44, which is 180 minus 88. When you will solve it, you will get 92 degrees. Now angle DOB, that means this angle they are asking you to find. So you need to understand that this angle and this angle are subtended by the same arc, which is DB. So this angle is twice of 44, which is 88 degree, because angle subtended by an arc at the center is 2 times the angle subtended by the same arc on the circumference. Now next is angle DCB. So angle DCB and angle BAD, you can need to understand here they're on the same segment. So angle DCB would be 44 degrees. Now this is the second question. So using your knowledge of circle theory, write down why angle ADB is 90 degree. So please understand that this particular angle ADB is formed considering AB, which is the diameter of the circle. So this is basically an angle formed in a semicircle. So angle formed in a semicircle is always 90 degrees. So this is the reason. Now in question number 1C, so we have been given that AD is 12 centimeter, BD is 6 centimeter, and then we have to find AB. So basically we have to use Pythagoras theorem over here. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that AB square would be equal to AD square plus BD square. So I can substitute the values now. So AD is 12. So 12 square plus plus 6 square, which is basically 144 plus 36. So when you add it, you will get 180 centimeter. So this is basically AB square value 180. So AB would be equal to root of 180. So we have to write it in the simple surd form. So it would be 6 root 5 centimeters. So this would be my desired answer for AB. Now they're asking you to find the area of the circle, and we have to find the area in terms of pi. So since AB is the diameter of the circle, that means the radius AO is equal to 3 root 5. 6 root 5 divided by 2 centimeter. So therefore area of circle would be equal to pi r square. So pi r square, which would be equal to, so we have to find the area in terms of pi only. So pi brackets 3 root 5 square. So when you solve it, you will get 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 5 is 45. So 45 pi centimeter square will be the answer. So 45 pi centimeter square will be the answer for this question. So we are done with question number 1. So in the next video, we are going to do question number 2 of MYP Extended Maths, May 2024 paper.